brags turn to facts, all my hunters turn to racks, all my ladies turn to snacks. SUVs black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact.
I'm Tyler Jones. I'm from Kingston, Ontario. I came here to TintAcademy to take the course and learn to tint.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Cam. I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba, and I've learned numerous things from them on how to cut tint, how to apply tint, how to do the back windows, how to wrap, how to do the ceramic coating for the taillights, everything from Ali and Adam.
A lot of people back at home, they trying to make it out the dirt. Don't stop pushing. Used to catch Z's on the couch cushions. Now I call the shots like I'm John Wooden. In the kitchen with my jewelry in the pot cooking. Walking through the mall and they can't stop looking. I ain't lying. All my brags turned to
it's caught in the crossfire.